Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful paper bouquet using an easy method. First, gather all your supplies. You'll need colorful paper, like cardstock or crepe paper, along with sharp scissors and a ruler. Don't forget your hot glue gun for secure attachments and some floral wire for the stems. Having a variety of paper colors and textures will make your final bouquet truly stand out and look more realistic. Now, let's start crafting the petals. Begin by cutting your chosen paper into various petal shapes. You can opt for simple circles, elegant heart shapes, or even more intricate designs. Once cut, gently fold and curl the edges of each petal. This simple step adds dimension and makes your paper flowers look much more lifelike. Remember to create petals in a few different sizes for each flower. With your petals ready, it's time to assemble the individual flowers. Take a small paper disc as your base and begin gluing your shaped petals around it, layering them to create a full bloom. Once the petals are secure, attach a piece of floral wire, roughly 6 to 8 inches in length, to the back of the flower using your hot glue gun. Continue this process until you have several beautiful paper flowers ready for arrangement. Finally, let's arrange your stunning paper bouquet. Gather all your completed paper flowers and arrange them in a way that looks visually appealing and balanced. Once you're happy with the arrangement, tightly wrap the floral wires together using green floral tape. This will secure the stems and give your bouquet a professional finish. For a final touch, tie a decorative ribbon around the stems or wrap them in a complementary paper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.